Hey guys, gagawa tayo ng CP bag. Gamitin natin yung number 3. Kasi yung thread natin hindi naman masyadong kakapal. At saka I'm used to number 3 hook. So we will make 18. Let's try 18. Kasi it will base on your cellphone kung gaano kahaba yung cellphone nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I will try. So this is Realme. Kulang po. Maybe 21, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. Adjust po tayo ng dalawa pa. 1, 2, 23. So, 23. Ayan. Then dito, mag-chain tayo ng isa, dalawa po. Dalawa and then hook ilalagay natin sa number 23. Dito po. Ayan. Then, ganyan. And then, hook. Susunod na chain. Ayan po. Diretso ulit. Ayan na. Diretso and then hook. Sa susunod na chain ulit. Ayun. Then hook. Ganyan. Sa susunod. Ayan. Diretso. Then, do the same hanggang makarating dito. And then, dito po tayo sa pinaka-last. One. One, the same hole, 2, the same hole again, tatlo po sa last na the same hole. Ayan po, and then hook, dito po tayo, doon po tayo, hindi po doon sa the same hole, doon sa next, doon. Then hook, and then next. Next. Hook, next. Then, gawin natin po yan hanggang dito. Hanggang dito. Ayan na siya. Yan, nasa last na tayo. Ayan, connect tayo dito sa first, doon sa taas. Ayan. Ayan na siya, and then chain to 1, 2, hook the same hole po. Ayan siya, and then chain, then count to 1, ay hindi ko na makita, 1, 2, dalawa, then hook the same hole, then hook, count to 1, 2, then hook the same hole, proceed, move to 1, 2, and then do the same procedure hanggang sa matapos. Ayan. And then do the same procedure po to here. And then sa last na, the same hole. And then dito sa pinakaunang ginawa natin, dito natin ikakabit ulit, slip knot. Yan po. Then gagawa tayo ng dalawa ulit, the same hole dito, diretso, then count to 1, 2, diretso, hook the same hole, hook 1, 2, medyo pull a little bit so it will not be very tight, then like that, then 1, 2, the same hole, then hook 1, 2, 1, 2, ayan na, 1, 2 dito, ayan, then hook the same, okay, then ganyan na po siya. Do the same procedure hanggang dyan, at saka the same procedure hanggang sa length na gusto nyo, yung gaano kahaba or kataas ang gusto nyo. Do the same until the desired length or height. Sorry. Okay. Last. And here the last. And then connect here. Tayo. Yan. And then chain 1, 1. Lalagay tayo ng isa-isa. Bawat ganyan, maglalagay tayo ng isa. 1. Paikutan po natin yan. Paikutan natin yan. We'll do like that. Around. Maybe 2 or 3 layers. Depends on you. Then last. Yan. Then connect here. Connect. And then maglalagay tayo ng strap. Dito tayo dun sa kabila ng pinaglagyan dun sa nag-connect kayo. Pero i-ano pa na muna natin yan ng konti. Yan. And then next here. 2. Then 3. Hold here. Release that 2 like that. Then like that. 1. Okay. 2. Then the last 3. Ayan. 3 like that. And then hold it here. Hold. And then release the 2. Do the first one like that. And then do the second one. Ha? Nahulog yun. Like that. 2. And then the last one. And then this one. Yan, 3. And then proceed. Hold it here again. Especially the last one, you need to hold it properly. The last. Then do like that. Then the second. Okay, and then the third. Like that. Then like this. And then do the same way hanggang sa gaano kahaba your strap you wanted to be. So, just proceed to the same procedure. Hold it here, especially the last one there. Then this one. Hold there, here, hold it here, go, and then the last one. Ganyan. Okay, and then you do the next one. And then magko-connect na tayo. We will connect the last 3. Make it a little bit longer kasi mahirap pong mag-connect. So we will connect here. Baliktad. It's supposed to be like that. We will make it like that. So like that. And then let's hold it like that, and here's the center. And then again, I'm still using 3, number 3. Then here, do it like that. Here, and then hook the second there, second one here. Go to the knot 2 there, and do like that. Hindi nakuha lahat. Ayun. And then the third hole will be here, and then connect it to the third. It's a little bit hard, guys. And then do like that. And then we will check at the back kung okay siya. O okay, yung pagka-connect siya ay okay. And now here we will do it like that, straight. Then do like that for the lock. I don't have my scissor again. Here's my scissor. Then pull like that. Ayun, oh. Parehas sila dito. Pareha sila doon. But this one is a little bit loose. Then, you will control it. You will be the one to control it. Then this one, you will put it inside. Cannot be. Not nice. Okay. Then, here is our sling bag. You see, this one and this one is the same. Kasi ayokong itahi. I don't want to sew it here because they will not be the same. If I will sew that one, then this one is like that. So, I don't like. So, it's like this. Okay, thanks for watching.